Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So in the previous video I have given week 1 assignment solution, and in this video I am going to give week 2 assignment solution for Art of C programming course. So it is a CEC course. So the first question, write a note on programming languages, and the second question is describe fundamental concepts of C programming. So friends, I will give you the content and you can label it as you like according to the constraints. So the for first question I will show the content in parts. So you can see this and you can write as you like. So I am providing the content here. So this is the content and I will zoom this for you. I think the zoom is not working properly for the full length. So now you can see that. You can pause the video here itself and note it down, or you can take a screenshot here itself. So this is the first question answer and the part of the first question, and I will show the other part now. So now I am moving to the next part of the first question only. So we know that there are three types of programming language: machine level, assembly level and high level. I am showing the first two languages, that is machine level and second assembly level. So in first machine level language, it is the lowest level of programming language. It means only zeros and ones are there. So each and every word or each and every character or identifier is read by in terms of only two types of identifiers, that is 0 and 1s. It is 0 and 1s language. It is also called binary language because it is only represented in binary digits. Guys, it's not binary language exactly, it is binary form of language because we represent the stuff in only zeros and ones. So it is mission level, and the other one is assembly level language. This is intermediate level language. It means it is below the, I mean above the mission level and below the high level language. So it is assembly level language. It is a middle level language. It consists of set of instructions in specific format called commands. It uses symbols to represent field of instructions. So I am moving from the assembly level language to the final one, high level language. So high level language, we are familiar with that, C, C++, Python, Java, the what we are writing. I mean the human programmers write high level language. We are able to understand only high level language. The remaining low level, I mean mission level and assembly level languages are very difficult to write and also to understand. So the instructions in this language are called codes or scripts. The computer needs a compiler and interpreter to convert high-level language program into mission-level language. So the examples include C, Python, Java, etc. All the programming language we use high-level language only. It is used in English letters. It is easy to write a program using high-level language and it takes less time. Debugging is also easy. It is a human understandable or human readable language. So this is all the first question. It is related to first question. And what is the second one? Describe fundamental concepts of C programming. So for second question, So first of all, note this one. Second heading, fundamental concepts of C programming. So this is the first part in that. C keywords. So in C there are 32 keywords. I have not listed these 32 keywords here itself. You can go through the lecture. You can see there. So these are it is also called as reserved words because they have special meanings. Every keyword represents a special meaning. So all the keywords in C are written in lower case only. We should not use the keywords as variable names and also the function names. So I will show you the next one regarding the second question. So note this one. Next second concept in second question is variable names. A variable name is a combination of 1 to 31 alphabets other than the 32 keywords. I have already told before only that we should not use keywords as variable names. So there are three rules. The first character should be an alphabet or underscore, and we should not use any number, or also we should not use any other special character. We should only use the first character of the variable as only alphabet or underscore. Next one is no commas or blank should be allowed, and the third one is no special symbol other than underscore can be used. So hope you have noted it down. You can stop the video here itself and you can take screenshot. I am moving to next one. So next concept is data types. So note this entire paragraph. So in C compiler it makes it compulsory to use or declare the type of the variable. It means whether it is integer. If integer we should use int keyword. If it is a character like A, B, C, D and all, we use char. Char means character. Next, float. It is used for floating point values like 3.12, 2.76 like that. And double is also extended form of the float. Mean 2.3896 and so on like that. Mean many characters. I mean many uh, values it will take after point. So next, comments. Comments means it is written if it is a paragraph we want to write for the understanding purpose, we should enclose it with forward slash star and ends with star and forward slash. In between these two symbols we write multi-line comments. Comment is not a part of the code. It is written in order to make the code understandable. It is a human language. So it explains why we are writing that code, what is the meaning, what is the use or meaning of that particular block of the code like that. So we use double slash for writing a single line comment. And the next one is statements in C. So there are these type of statements. So these are the content we have to write for first and second questions. Guys, I have given the spaces between the blocks. The space between the blocks, don't give too much spaces. You can join this for the understanding purpose. I have separated them for the clear understanding for you. So friends, these are the solution for week 2 assignment of art of C programming course. Hope this video helpful for you. You can refer other videos I have made regarding first week, second week, third week and also fourth week. So if you feel these videos are helpful for you, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. For further more videos, keep supporting our channel. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.